Ayan, so as you can see, gumagana yung console and gumamit ako ng soft pastel colors for it to be visually appealing and aesthetically pleasing, and mayroon rin siyang soothing experience, and para na rin mas madaling malaman ni user kung paano siya gumagana. Yan. So let's add a schedule, sample schedule. So IT 3, let's see, Monday, let's see, 7:30 to 10 a.m. And so ayan, as you can see, nag-add yung schedule. And then and so gumamit rin ako ng 24-hour format para hindi malito yung user kung ano ba yung time niya, kung umaga ba or PM. And then save the file. Let's name it schedule. Save. Okay. And then tingnan na natin kung na-save ba yung file. Documents. Ayan. So, ayan, nag-save siya.